really got us rethinking the whole idea of what a pickup truck is when they shocked the world at the Cybertruck launch event. The Cybertruck has since gone on to register over 500,000 reservations. Tesla describes the Cybertruck as better utility than a truck with more performance than a sports car. The Cybertruck is available for pre-order in several countries. However, South Africa is not on the list. We strongly believe it should be. Here is why. South Africa has a strong pickup culture. Bakkies, as they are called in South Africa, consistently top the vehicle sales charts. The undisputed king of sales in South Africa is the Toyota Hilux. Toyota Hilux sales are about 500,000 units annually worldwide. Last year, 40,934 units were sold in South Africa. That is roughly 8% of all Hilux sales worldwide, showing that South Africa is a significant market for pickups. This table shows just how much South Africans love pickup trucks. In the top 10, there are 3 full-size pickup models, including the Ford Ranger and the Isuzu D-Max. The sales of these 3 models total 82,142, representing 17.5% of all new car sales. For comparison, we have included the annual sales for the UK, showing how significant a pickup market South Africa is. For a total addressable market perspective, South Africa looks like a better pickup target market than the United Kingdom. The Cybertruck has several advantages. On durability, that 30 times cold-rolled steel is unparalleled. Nothing on the market has been designed with the so-called exoskeleton that Tesla says is made for the ultimate durability, passenger protection, is nearly impenetrable, and designed for superior strength and endurance. In terms of maintenance costs, another strong point that would tip the scale in the Cybertruck's favor is on the total cost of ownership and no real worries of parts availability, as EVs have fewer moving parts and fewer parts to change during routine maintenance cycles. So, we believe there is a strong case for Elon Musk to bring home the Cybertruck to challenge for the crown. Cybertruck's appeal and Tesla's strong brand will certainly attract a new type of buyer as well who would not normally buy a pickup. And given the Cybertruck's look and feel, as if it is built for doomsday, the COVID-19 pandemic would have quite a number of people looking for just this type of vehicle.